Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. Today we're making cherry scones and I'm going to share my favourite cherry scone recipe with you. Scones are really popular and easy to make, but I know lots of people do have problems making scones, so in this video tutorial I'm going to share with you all my tips and tricks to make the perfect scone. Okay everyone, let's make cherry scones. The first tip I have for you is to place a lined baking tray in a preheated oven before you start to make the scones. Now to make the scones, place self-raising flour, salt and baking powder together in a large bowl. Give everything a good stir to combine. Now we're going to grate in the frozen butter. If you use frozen butter, this will create air pockets in the mixture when it's baking and help you to get a nice rise. Pop your butter into the freezer for about an hour before you make your scones. Rub the butter into the flour until it resembles coarse breadcrumbs. Next add in the sugar, lemon juice and the glacé cherries. If you prefer to use something different to glacé cherries, you can use sultanas, or you could even throw in a handful of white chocolate chips in with the glacé cherries and they will be delicious. Mix everything together. The cherries are cut in halves and quarters, and I also threw in the odd full one as well. I love a cherry scone with lots of cherries in them. Now to prepare the wet ingredients. I'm using warm milk. Add the vanilla extract to the warm milk and stir it in. Now pour the milk into the dry ingredients, use a spoon, stir until it comes together and forms a ball. Turn the scone mixture out onto a floured work surface and fold the dough a few times while shaping it at the same time. Don't handle the dough too much as the scones won't rise as tall. You'll find the full recipe for these cherry scones in the description box under the video. Using a 7cm cutter, dip it in the flour and cut out your scones. This scone mixture will make 12 large scones. Place on the warmed baking tray and place the scones close together. Doing this will help the scones to rise evenly. Brush with a beaten egg, making sure that it doesn't drip down the sides. Now let's get these beauties into the oven. Bake at 220 degrees Celsius, 430 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Here we have them. They have risen fabulously, are a lovely golden colour and are nice and crisp on top, just the way I like them. These scones can be made, cut out and placed in the freezer and baked from frozen. I often double this recipe and freeze half of my scones, and just whenever I need them I take out my frozen scones, pop them into the oven, and in 20 minutes you've got lovely fresh scones. I like to serve these with everything: lovely Irish butter, homemade strawberry jam and cream. Clotted cream is also delicious on these scones. I have a really easy recipe on my channel to make your own homemade clotted cream. If you can't get it in your local store, why not try it? All the tips and tricks I've given you in this video tutorial will help you the next time you decide to make some scones. I hope you all try out this recipe and let me know how you get on in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other video tutorials on my channel. See you all next week for another Scrummy video. Happy baking everyone!
Scrummy!